information that I have, and I'm sort of just scouting this out. So we'll see if but I'm just gonna try it out and see what it is. Extremely windy, so I don't know how much I'll be shooting today. If I do shoot some good stuff, I might do it with my camera to do shorts, but I'm not sure. So, alright, see you on the first one. Alright, we'll see. Man, his soul is nice. 1942. Another wheat scent. So, not doing too bad at this place so far. Alright, keep digging. Alright, this was ringing up 2022. So it's an old ring. It's pretty heavy. Probably from the farm here. This is a farm, still a working farm. So, alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, see you on the next one. Alright guys, I'm sorry I'm not doing the VDIs, but it's just very windy today. But just dug this up. And it's some kind of metal. Look at that. So that's very cool. I'm gonna see if I can clean it up here a little bit more, and then I'll get another picture. Alright, keep digging. Alright guys, that is a signal the whole way around, so we're gonna definitely dig that. I thought for sure this was gonna be a piece of silver, but look at that wheel. And that's got a beautiful patina on it. I'm not sure what that is, but man, I'm gonna have to clean that up. That's gonna be a nice piece. I mean, it's got some definitely work here. It's green in color. Alright, keep digging. There was a 27, so a nice little belt buckle. It's old there, so that's pretty cool. And then there's a piece of pottery in here. I don't know, it's an old piece there, so that's pretty neat. All right, keep digging. All right, wheat scent, another one. Getting the wheat pennies. Alright, there you go. Another wheatie. Keep digging. Another round ring. So, I think there are definitely probably horses that pulled in here maybe. And they would ride in and tie their horses maybe. I don't know. Another ring. All right, keep digging. All right, this thing was down here deep. I mean, look at that. I mean, that's almost the whole pinpointer down. So, nice spoon bowl. So, I'll have to get that cleaned up, see if there's any markings or anything on there, but that's pretty cool. So, all right, keep digging.